Hi everyone, in the previous lesson we talked about strings, and in this lecture I'm going to explain Boolean data type. Let's begin our lecture. The Boolean data type is very important for us. In programming, you often use and need to know if expression is true or false. You can evaluate any expression in Python and get one of two answers, true and false. When you compare two values, the expression is evaluated and Python returns a Boolean answer. Let's make some examples and learn Boolean data type. For example, 5 greater than 3, shift enter, the output is true. Okay, the Python returns a value of true. For example, I'm gonna change 5 less than 3. Okay, in this case, the answer is false. Actually, the Boolean data type is true and false. We commonly use the comparison operators in Boolean data type. Firstly, let's look at other comparison operators. This is greater sign, this is lesser sign. Another comparison operator is equal to sign. This is 2 equal sign. This is like this, for example, 5 equals 5. Shift enter, this output is true. If I'm right something different, for example 6 equals false. This is different from the assignment operator of equal because this is assignment operator, this is comparison operator. Another comparison operator is not equal operator. It consists of exclamation and equal sign. For example, 5 not equal to 7. It's true, okay, it's true. And if we change the 5, our answer is false. Actually, this operator is opposite this operator. Another comparison operator is greater than or equal operator. We can use in our project, for example, 7 greater and equals 7 equals true, or you can write some less number. Yes, it's true also. We can change the greater number, it's false. Another comparison operator is less than or equal. It's all the same, just less and greater difference. I'm gonna write the same example, less than or equal 7, okay? Yes, the output is true. You can change to 10, output also true. You can change 5, output is, in this case, false. Okay, these are all comparison operators, and we see also the Boolean data types, true and false. This is very important. Also, we have logical operators. Our logical operators are and, or, and not. Let's use them in example. 4 less than 7 and 5 less than 10. Shift enter. The output is true because this condition is true and this condition is true. AND operator is true if both operands are true. Okay, if we change some of them, for example, I'm going to copy and paste the other line and I'm going to write 2. Yes, this is the output of false because this condition is false. For example, if we change the other condition, I'm going to change this condition and shift enter. Okay, this is false also because this condition and this condition is false. The output, of course, false. The AND operator only true if this condition and this condition true. Okay, the OR operator is different from AND. In the OR operator, true if either of operands is true. So one of them is true, the OR operator is true. Let's make an example. I'm gonna change the OR operator, true and true, shift enter, the output is true. But in this condition, there is a difference between AND and OR. For example, I'm gonna change AND with OR. Okay, this is true. This is false and this is true. AND and OR is different from this condition because one of this condition is false, one of is true. In the AND operator, the condition of the AND operator is false, and OR operator, one of them is true, and the output of this logical operator is true. Let's look at the last condition, the two sides of this false, and I'm gonna add or and shift enter. Look at this output, false and false equals to false. Okay, and or we will use so many times. And another logical operator is not. True if operand is false, complements the operand. Not x. Let's make some example. 4 less than 7 equals true. I'm gonna add not here and shift enter. The output is false. The not operator changed the Boolean answer. Okay, if this is false, not changed to the true. If this is true, not changed this Boolean answer is false. Okay, in this video we talk about logical operators and comparison operators, and of course we talked about Boolean data types. We will use these Boolean data types in our if statement or for or while loops. So this is very important data type. In the next lecture we will talk about another data type, list data type. See you in the next lecture.